Hi, wanna know how to switch from button navigation to gestures on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then find a tab which is named display. Click on it, here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named navigation bar. Click on it and here instead of buttons, choose swipe gestures. And this is it. As you can see, the button has disappeared from my phone and now I can use gestures to manage my phone. So now let's talk about a little bit how to use the gestures. So we have three buttons on the button panel. First button is home, second button is recent apps, and the third button is back button. So here with the gestures we have three same functions. To go home, you would need to just simply swipe up like this. Let's test it. I'll open any app and then swipe like this. And I'm now on my home screen. To open the recent applications, we would need to swipe up and hold our finger on the screen a little bit, and the recent apps will appear on the screen. One more time, and yes, this is it how it works. And the last button is the back button. To go back, you would just need to simply swipe from the left side to the right, like this, and you'll go back. We can also test it one more time. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.